Now we have back to percentage wind and hail deductibles. In the Midwest, they're mainly 1%, and that means 1% of your replacement cost on the home is the deductible. In states like Texas and several others, they've went up now to 2% wind and hail. And a lot of that's doing just the amount of hail in that state. So I know people in Texas that have gotten 3 roofs in under 5 years. So that's kind of driving the premise behind wind and hail deductibles. A lot of carriers changing roof rules. So in the Midwest particularly, it used to be 15 years or newer, you got replacement cost on your roof. If it was older than 15, you got depreciated value. Now that rule is 10 years or newer, as opposed to 15. Furthermore, there's a couple carriers now limiting the size of roof that they will write. So a lot of them are limiting them to 4,000 square feet. Now to give you an idea, a 2,400 square foot house with an A-frame, a pretty steep roof on it, will come in over 4,000. Why? Because we run these all the time and I see these all the time. 4,000 square foot of a roof is not anywhere near as big as you think it would be in regards to that home. That's another way carriers are protecting themselves, knowing that wind and hail seems to be most of the claims we're dealing with across the United States. My challenge to you is, if you're not confident what you currently have, reach out to us directly. We will review all of your policies at no charge to you and tell you exactly what's going on with them. We will give you a health report, a report card, if you will, on your current policies. We do this for a lot of financial firms and for a lot of clients we've never sold a policy to. But if you're curious or you're wanting to know that in that junk drawer where you put those policies every year, even though it was a good price last year, if it's going to show up in the event of what we're seeing going on, give us a call, free consultation. There's nothing hidden behind that. Free consultation to review those, tell you what your policy currently does, what it doesn't do, and what you may have access to. We don't sell insurance. We educate on options.